I am Aravindan and today I will be presenting my project title Agentic AI for Advertisement Data Analysis. This project focuses on building an AI driven framework that automates advertisement analysis across various platforms. This project proposes an agentic AI driven advertising analytical framework that uses LLM based multi agent system for cross platform ad analysis. The framework integrates Crew AI orchestration with the QJ semantic layer to analyze KPIs such as CTR, CPC, and ROAS across campaigns and accounts. Advertising data across Google Ads and Meta Ad is highly fragmented due to different schemas and platform specific metrics. Existing dashboard mainly explain what happened but fail to provide intelligent root causes and actionable recommendation. Manual analysis is time consuming, difficult to scale, and delays optimization. This project is built on several core technologies such as agentic AI, which refers to multiple autonomous AI agents, LLMs, which provide reasoning and NLP, Crew AI, which is used for multi-agent orchestration, while Cube.js acts as the semantic layer, and PostgreSQL is used for centralized data storage. The first paper, Insight Lens, presents an LLM-powered analytics framework for automated insights. These concepts directly influence the multi-agent analytical design used in this project. The second paper, Finman, introduces layered memory architecture, which specialized in AI agents. It highlights the importance of contextual memory and explainable recommendations. The third paper focuses on contrastive learning based multi agent coordination. This paper discusses semantic communication and cross modality coordination in agent driven system. It emphasizes transforming raw data into contextual semantic insights, which align with the semantic layer driven analytical used in our project. The fifth paper researches on semantic information extraction and efficient inter-agent communication. The paper supports intelligent agent generation and efficient sharing of high impact analytical insights instead of raw data set. The next paper discusses challenges in LLM based multi agent system, including hallucination risk and scalability issues. The study reinforces the importance of structured workflow and governed semantic layer for reliable AI analytical system. This paper introduces attention enabled multi agent reinforcement learning architecture. It demonstrates how agents selectively prioritize important information during decision making. The final paper explores knowledge graphs as trusted source for LLM powered enterprise systems. It highlights how semantic structures improve explainability and reduces hallucination. The issues and challenges. Several challenges exist in current advertising analytical system. These include fragmented cross-platform data, shallow dashboard level analysis, delayed insights, scalability limitation, and the absence of adaptive AI optimization system. Our architecture. The proposed architecture begins with daily advertisement data synchronized from Google and Meta ads using a Celery task. This will be stored in our data warehouse, which is our PostgreSQL. This data passes through the Cube.js semantic layer, where metrics are normalized into standardized KPIs. Crew AI based agents then analyze the data collaboratively and generate actionable insights, alerts, and recommendations. Our system requirements and tools. This project uses Python along with Django REST framework, Cube.js, Crew AI, Postgres, Redis, and Amazon S3 for bucket storage. The recommended hardware includes an Intel i7 processor with NVIDIA CUDA capable GPU and at least 16 GB RAM and an SSD storage for fast processing. Let's deep dive into the module. The project is divided into four major modules. The first one, data extraction and semantic layer. This module extracts advertising data from Google Ads, Meta Ads through Cube.js semantic layer. It standardizes platform-specific metrics into KPIs such as CTR, CPCs, impression, and converts them before pre-processing and validation. The next one is AI agent analytical engine. This module performance LLM driven analysis process keyword campaigns and accounts. The agent identifies anomalies, wasted spend, performance drops, and optimization opportunities while generating structured analytical recommendation analysis. The next one is orchestrator and agentic workflow management. Crew AI coordinates the specialized agents using predefined roles, goals, and workflows. This module manages task execution, reasoning, and inter-agent coordination, output validation, and unified insight generation. The next one is the scheduling and result storage, alerts UI, and the email delivery module. The Celery Beat automates periodic analysis workflow and scheduling. Results are stored in Postgres SQL and expose them through REST APIs to the React dashboard. The system also supports automated email alerts and recommendation delivery for the stakeholder. Now let's look into the implementation screenshot. This slide shows the screenshot of the data we are storing in Postgres from the API and the AI analysis from hundreds of keywords. The next implementation slideshow shows the alerts panel showed in the user's UI and the recommendation model which will be expanding once we click them. This will be the to see how the agent works. We can use this endpoint to call our orchestrating agent. Now I have set it for creative analysis or the creative agent to be called via this API. So once I click send, the data will be sent to the LLM and we will be getting an output which can be seen over in the UI like this. So yeah, this will be how the charts or the alerts will be shown to us on the UI. Here we can click on it to see the sample or how the actual analysis will be from the agent side. Each of the agents will be creating different types of charts based on which it thinks will be the best for that. Also, there will be separate ways for us to see into the individual agents best ones, while the need attention is the ones which we need to improve. So here we can see that add negative keyword for poor intent cluster and shift 15% budget. So this is the recommendation that the agent is giving us. The impact it has is that the 8 to 10% CPC efficiently gain and it will be improved in the conversion quality. We can also see that it gives a CPN conversion based chart for us to see. Now if we move to the positive ones, here we can see that it asks us to increase the budget by 10 to 15%, and it says that the impact will be a plus 12% conversion left in a similar CPA. It also says that this one has a above 5% growth in when compared to the previous period in the spend, whereas the conversion has grown by 6.6%, which is very good because the ratio between the spend and the conversion is uh, smaller than 1. Okay, and we can see the data range for the past 7 days. We can also send them via email to our colleagues if we want to share the report with others. Mail that will be sent to the user. The listed paper collectively support the concepts of semantic layer, AI agents, collaboration, structured reasoning, and AI system used in this project. Thank you for listening to my presentation. This project demonstrates how agentic AI system can transform advertising